Yo, what's poppin', everybody? Really quick, we're gonna do a quick live breakdown. This is a gold setup that we in right now. This is a buy signal that I sent to the signal chat. So let's let that focus. As you can see, buy gold. All right, so it's a 200 potential pip gain for a risk of 80 pips, 85 pips. A 1 to 2 risk reward opportunity right here. Very clean setup. So overall, it's a 4-hour setup that we're looking at this on the overall game plan, the overall picture. All right, so 4-hour, 23.6 retracement. As you can see, we have a nice level of support here, this purple zone. So I'm using this purple zone as my pretty much my foundation of building up my analysis on this move. So you can see lower high point, low, and the market end up pushes up. So as I get down to the 1-hour time frame, it becomes very clear. As you can see, price has broken structure and we have made a new high. All right, so we're no longer making lower high points, lower high, and moving within this little counter trend line. We end up breaking out of the counter trend line, retesting this level of support again, pushing up, making a new higher high, coming back down, making a higher low point, and retesting the moving average and also retesting structure. Lots of confluence going on up in this area. So this is our area of interest, very valid. And as you go down to the lower time frames, you get down obviously to these 15 and 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame, you can see that nice little almost bullish pin bar candle. 15-minute time frame, nice bullish engulfing. That's where I got an entry off of. Snipe right there on the 15-minute. So TP is obviously at the fib target at the very top at the 27%. And it's off the 1-hour retracement. So 200 pips. And then our stop loss is obviously below structure, giving it room to breathe and out of the way of fluctuation. So this is where we at right now. I could probably fix this as well and get this here. As you can see, nice little counter trend line action that was going on. Very true to it right here. All right, boom. So very nice little action that's going on up in here. So I like this setup. It took a lot of patience, of course, because the market was rejecting up in here. It exhausted out pretty heavily, and that's also nice to see. Look at all this seller's exhaustion that's happening within this area, y'all. So it makes sense. So all of this is not a coincidence. And so far, we're starting to push up a little bit. Haven't really went into profit much, but I just want to make this video now so we can see where we're at and also just monitor this throughout the way. But that's pretty much what I got going on right now, y'all. So 1 to 2 risk reward opportunity to start the week. It's the last week of the month, so I'm hoping we can end off in the green, end off with some blues this week, and capitalize off of this movement. I'm super tired, y'all. I was asleep. I literally had my alarm set and took a little cat nap for about an hour and a half. So I'm dead ass just tired, but we do what we gotta do, y'all. This is part of the process. Right now it's 1:47 in the morning. And we just gotta wait and see what this thing do, man. So other than that, I just want to make this video now so we can be locked in and have this recorded, and hopefully we can capitalize off of some nice movement, man, and secure the bag today. I'm also trading that one super small account that I had mentioned to you all, that I was starting with $112. I moved it over to MaureeTrader. So I now have this account in MaureeTrader. I put $140 in MaureeTrader. That same account, I just moved it over. $140 today. And I entered this trade on gold. So we're going to see where we at when this thing plays out. But anyway, man, I hope this made sense. I hope it was clear. I'm out of here. Peace and love to everybody. I love y'all, man. Keep grinding. Let's get it. I'm literally just in awe of this move, man. Crazy setup. So I want to show y'all. So this is 2 signals that we sent in the signal chat this week. So the first entry, we floating 201 pips, and the last entry was 113 pips. So a 1 to 2 here, and obviously a 1 to 2 here. So super clean. We up about 350 pips right now. We're about to hit TP and close out a crazy day. And we end up getting another scaling opportunity at this level of Confluence as well up here. Nice higher low point, nice seller's exhaustion at this level of structure. Get down to lower time frames, and boom, what do we have? Nice bullish confirmations up in this area. Very clean, easy to see why I would have taken an entry there. And that is the day that we are having, man. So crazy setups, nice entry confirmations, and it's just super clean, man. I'm literally, bro, like I said, in awe of how gold is moving right now. And we about to hit TP completely. and I want to see that go off for the sake of this video, make it even more lit. But yeah, man, we up 350 pips, man, just in 2 trades, and it's literally the first day of the week.
Oh my god,
literally Monday. That's crazy, bro. Crazy. Literally Monday, and we up 350 pips off of 2 entries. And I'm waiting to see this thing hit TP, man. Come on. Hit that thing. It's right there. Right there. Go ahead and hit it, man. Let's go, man. Let's fucking go. Man. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Peace and love to everybody. I hope this was simple and made sense. And I just wanted to document this, man. But other than that, keep grinding. Let's get it.